Here's an update on my birds. It's a new cage. So I bought them a new cage, and it looks pretty big for just two small birds. But they seem to like it. They were flying around earlier. Um, this is the old one. As you can see, it's just so little. They were kind of just on top of each other. But yeah, this is much better now. They really seem to enjoy it, and they were eating a lot more. They're flying around, and they were making noises without any YouTube noises from other birds. And it looks like they're just maybe chilling around right now. There's the green and then the blue. The green one has been warming up to me a little bit, but not a lot. I was able to pet him on the head, and also I was able to have him stand on my finger, so that's a big improvement. The blue one, though, it's no improvement at all. Still scared of me. I'm actually surprised that they're not scared right now, so I'm so close to them. I was trying to get them to eat an orange, because I was eating an orange earlier. That's why I kind of just hang the skin up there to see if they'll eat it. They didn't like the fruit. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe they do. They're about to eat it now. It's on that cup right there. Oh, I think I just scared him off. But yeah, it's in that white cup in there. There's an orange fruit in there. Hopefully they'll try it. I don't know if they're gonna like it, but we'll see. Oh, there, he tried it. The blue one. Oh, guess they didn't like it, or he didn't like it. They're trying for the one in the bottom. That's their usual food, the seeds. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update. Overall, this cage is pretty cool. It's about 4 feet high, 51 inch, if anybody's wondering, and it's about $99. That's with tax, California tax. So that's like 10%. So it's actually $90. Tax is about $9, so it's $100. But yeah, that's about it.